In the previous presentation, we have learned the concept of basic proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem. We have done the proof of that, and you have to do the proof of the theorem 6.2, which is converse of basic proportionality theorem. And here in this presentation, we are going to discuss when two triangles are similar. In the previous presentation also, we have discussed when the triangles are similar. Then what we know, if the angles are equal, the corresponding angles are equal, we are calling the given two triangles are similar, two or as more than two. And if the sides are proportional, then also we are able to tell that the triangles are similar. Then let us start here. The theorem 6.3 we have, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same proportion. What we know, if two triangles having the corresponding angles equal, then that two triangles are similar, and if the triangles are similar, then the sides are proportional. Then in this theorem we have to show this. This is given to you, the angles are equal, the corresponding angles are equal, and you have to show the sides are proportional. Then let us do it. If you are considering the triangles ABC and DEF, I am taking two triangles ABC and DEF. I am taking the corresponding angles of these equal. Angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. Then for proving any theorem, we have to do construction. Then here we have the construction part. We are cutting DP. We are taking point P on DE and such that DP is equal to AB. Similarly, we are taking point Q on DF such that DQ is equal to AC, and we are joining PQ. Then this we are getting here, what we are getting, AB is equal to DP and AC we are taking equal to DQ, and we are joining PQ. And what we have, if DP is equal to AP and DQ is equal to AC, and if you are joining PQ, then these two triangles are congruent, because the corresponding angles are equal and the sides are equal. Then by side angle side criteria, you are getting these two triangles congruent. And if these two triangles are congruent, then we are able to write angle B equal to angle P, and that is also equal to angle E. It means that PQ is parallel to EF, because these are corresponding angles. And if these two lines are parallel, PQ is parallel to EF, then we are able to write DP upon PE is equal to DQ upon QF. And then in place of DP, if you are writing AB, AC in place of DQ, then P is equal to DE. Then what we are getting, AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. And if we have this, then we are able to write AB upon D is equal to BC upon EF, and similarly we are able to write this AB upon D is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Means the corresponding sides are proportional. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to the another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar, and we are using the criteria as AA similarity. Means if the two triangles are given to you in the question, then you have to just show the two angles equal. Let's prove another theorem. And theorem 6.4 we have, if in two triangles sides of one triangles are proportional to the side of other triangle, this is given to you. In two triangle the sides are proportional, and what you have to show, the corresponding angles, we have to show that the corresponding angles of that two triangles are equal, and hence the triangle is similar. Then that two triangles are similar. And let us prove this again. What we have, this criterion is referred to as SSS criterion, similarity criteria, and in this is given to you. The sides are proportional, means if you are taking the triangles ABC and DEF, then the corresponding sides we are getting as ABDE. If you are observing here, the side AB is corresponding to DE, AC is corresponding to DF, and BC is corresponding to EF, and that these sides are proportional. This is given to you, and what we have to show, the angles equal. Then again, what we are doing here, we are cutting the length such that we are taking a point P and Q on the sides of the triangle DEF, on the side DE and DF, such that DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC, and we are joining PQ as similar to the last theorem which we have done in this presentation. Then what we are observing here, then what we are getting, DP upon PE is equal to DQ upon QF, and if this we have, then we are able to write PQ is parallel to EF by converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. And if these two lines are parallel, then we are able to write angle P equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. These angles are corresponding angles. And if this we have, then we are able to write this dP upon dE is equal to dQ upon dF is equal to PQ upon EF, and PQ is equal to BC. Then in the next step we are writing this, in place of PQ we are writing BC, and if you are writing this, it means that BC is equal to PQ, therefore that two triangles are congruent, and if the triangles are congruent, means all the angles are equal. Then we are able to write this angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. And if the corresponding angles are equal, then the sides are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Then on the basis of these concepts, we are getting the similarity criteria as SSS criteria and AA criteria. And on the basis of these, and one more we have, that you have to do it yourself, side angle side. The angle which is included between the side and that is the sides are proportional and the angles are equal. Then we are calling that as SAS. Then on the basis of these three theorems, we are able to solve the questions. Then let us solve some question. Here I am taking question number 3rd. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at O. Then using the similarity criterion for two triangle, we have to show this. AO upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. This if you are considering, then in this diagram AB is parallel to CD, this is given to you. Then if you are observing these angle, this I am taking 1, this has 2, then these two angles are alternate interior angles. Similarly, if this I am taking 3 and this I am taking 4, these two are also alternate interior angle. It means that I am able to write these two triangles similar, AOB and COD. And if these two triangles are similar, then we are able to take the sides proportional. Then let us do this. In these two triangles, if you are observing DOC and BOA, CDO is equal to ABO and DCO is equal to angle BAO, and these are vertically opposite angle. Only two we needed for making two triangles similar. Here I am showing all the three angles, and if the angles are equal, the corresponding angles are equal, it means that the triangles are similar. And if these two triangles are similar, DOC and BOA, then we are able to write the sides proportional. Then DO upon BO is equal to OC upon OA. Then if you are on cross multiplication, we need this OA upon OC. Then we are getting this on cross multiplication. OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Let us solve one more question here. In this altitude, in this given diagram, question number 7, this is altitude AD and CE. Altitudes we know, which making an angle of 90 degree or height of the triangle. Then in the given figure, AD and CE are the altitude, and what we have to show? We have to show triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. One thing you have to remember, what we needed, if we have to make two triangles similar, it means that we have to show the corresponding angles equal, any two corresponding angles, or you may show the sides proportional. Then here if you are observing in the first one, we have to show these two triangles AEP and CDP. Then these two angles, if you are observing, vertically opposite angle, and these two angles are of 90 degree. Easily we are able to write the two triangles similar. Then let us do this. We are able to write in triangle AEP and CDP, angle AEP is equal to angle CDP, each 90 degree, and these two angle APE and CPD are vertically opposite angle. Then by AA similarity, we are able to write triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Also we are able to write the sides proportional. In the second part, we have to show this ADB and BEC. These two triangles we have to show similar. Then what we are observing in these two, angle B we are observing here, the common angle we are getting. In both the triangle we are getting this angle B, and these two angles are of 90 degree. Then easily we are able to write in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, both 90 degree, and angle ABD equal to angle CBE, common angle, and therefore by AA similarity we are able to write triangle ABD similar triangle CBE. Let's solve question number 13 here. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. This is given, and we have to show this CA square is equal to CB into CD. What we needed CA square. It means that we have to make the triangles similar, and one thing we have to remember, which two triangles we have to take in which we are getting CA, because when the sides are proportional, then on cross multiplication, the multiplication of CA and CA, we are getting CA square. It means that we have to take that two triangle in which we are getting CA. Then let us do this. If you are observing this diagram, then here we are getting the triangles ABD and ACD, and we need AC. CM we needed. It means that if you are considering the smaller triangle and the bigger triangle, then we are getting the sides CA. Then in triangle ADC and triangle BAC, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. This is given to you. And if you are considering this angle ACD and BCA, then these two angles are common. And if the two angles we are getting, the corresponding angles we are getting equal, we are able to write the triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC by AA similarity. And if the triangles are similar, we are able to write the corresponding sides proportional. and if the corresponding sides, if you are taking proportional, then you are getting the relation CA square is equal to this, you are getting CA upon में CB is equal to CD upon में CA, and on cross multiplication we are getting the required relation CA square is equal to CB into CD. Then on the base of these you have to solve the questions of the exercise, and 6.3 some question I have done, rest of the question you have to solve in the fair notebook. Some questions, if you are observing here, question number 12 and question number 14, these two are very important questions for standard Sai Rab tool.